Hello, I'm Amy Dopps. Thank you so much for being a part of our Glowing Skin at-home skincare trial. You've chosen to experience Mary Kay's TimeWise Repair Big Guns for Anti-Aging Skincare. I'll review the contents of your package, also share how I'll be your guide all along the way this week via text message, and then how you will send your feedback at the end. Let's first of all look at what all came in the mail. Inside these envelopes is 4 of these skincare packets. There's only 4, even though we're going to be doing the skincare trial over a 5-day period, because there's more than what you need each day in a skincare packet. So how you will use this, let's review what's in it first. Your foaming cleanser, your lifting serum, your day cream, night cream, and eye cream. So every morning you will use half of your cleanser, half of your lifting serum, your day cream, and half of your eye cream. Then at night, you'll use the other half of your cleanser, other half of the lifting serum, night treatment, and the other half of your eye cream. So that's the most important part that you'll be doing every morning and every night. Then you'll be prompted with my text message to use one of the supplements later on. First of all is the Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. It's a glycolic acid facial peel like what you'd find at a dermatology clinic, but it's foolproof for those of us who are not medical professionals, so it's nice and gentle, yet very powerful to exfoliate not just dead skin at the surface, but multiple surface layers. It will, after you wash your face, you will apply this a smooth layer all over. You don't need to rub it in, just apply it like a thin layer of frosting, if we ever had such use for a thin layer of frosting, and leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes. I leave mine on for 30 minutes, go through a load of laundry in, go check my email, whatever, then come back, wash it off, and finish with the rest of your skincare. Then on another day, you'll experience our charcoal mask. This will detox your skin and pull all the yucky stuff out of your pores. So you might notice little dark dots on your nose or different areas of your face. That's where it's pulling out the dirt, oil, and impurities. Or bright white dots that are impacted pores. The more you use these products, the more it will clear up and unclog your pores. So when you go to remove this, after you leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes, you'll get a warm wet washcloth, lay that on your face for about 10 seconds, shift it around, and then remove it. Then finish with the rest of your skincare regimen. Now, it doesn't matter if you do those supplements morning or night, just whenever it's convenient for you. So those are the goodies. I do want to share with you, going back to the skincare, mix your cleanser with water. It will make all the difference in the world. All Mary Kay products are very concentrated, so you'll notice how a little bit goes a super long way. Then after you wash your face, you're going to apply your advanced lifting serum before your face is totally dry. You can pat dry a little bit, but make sure to leave a little bit of water on there. That way the lifting serum won't just soak up all in one area. It will be able to be moved all over the face to have an even absorption. So those are some tips for best results. Now let's share about how I will be your guide each day. So we're going to kick this off on Monday. Sunday night, I will text you instructions for what you'll do on Monday. And I'll do that each and every night for the next day. So I'll be your guide. I'm just a phone call or a text away. If you run into a snag or you have questions, please just holler. That's what I'm here for. I love interacting and building a relationship with you. And then at the end of the week, I will text you. And if you're all done, I'll send you an opinion poll where you can fill that out. And I'm really excited to get your opinion, not just on the yummy products, but this whole entire experience all together, because we're in an age of AI, right? Where people want to be connected, but they don't, but they do, right? So this is a way that Mary Kay is always innovative. We're looking for ways to connect with women in a way that's comfortable for them in their home, but also let them experience products, but be connected with a beauty professional who can be their guide and advisor. So I'm excited to get your opinion on the whole entire experience. And in that opinion poll, there will be some coupons. So if you happen to fall in love and you want to shop 15% off every single thing, even on top of these products, if there's other things that you're needing, you'll get a discount on that too, as a special thank you for participating in this skincare trial. That's all I have for you today. Shoot me a text if you have questions, and I'm excited to get this going on Monday morning.